Hi guys, welcome back to another video with your girl Queen Nisha on Vlogtober day number 26. Today we will be doing how I make my thumbnails with Picsart. So if you're new, hit the subscribe button. If you're old, welcome back to another video with the Red Squad. So we're gonna get started. It's quite simple and easy. So we're gonna be doing a thumbnail for this video. So all you need is Picsart, and technically that's all you need. So what you want to do is click the little plus button in the middle, and then I normally scroll down to color background and just click white. You could click any color, but I normally just click white to make it easy because it's right there. Then you want to click tools and click crop. Then you want to scroll until you see YouTube, or you could go to the 16 to 9 one, but I just go to YouTube. And I make it the thumbnail size, then I hit apply. So at this point I want to go to stickers. And here I just click in background. Okay. So I just scroll until I see one I like. I don't see none I like. Okay, since it's Halloween theme, we're gonna go with my pumpkin. Well, the pumpkin. Normally I already have my background set out, but I'm just gonna use a different one. So yeah, and then you wanna open it to the size that you want. Open it to the size that you want. Boom. Then you want to hit apply. Okay, so I like to hit apply to make it easier for when I go in and add more stickers. So you want to go to sticker, and now just going to click Picsart logo. That's a cute logo, so I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna put that there. And I'm gonna add my tags. How to make thumbnail with with Picsart. Okay, now that I have my words, I'm going to open it big. I'm just going to move my Picsart logo to the side. I'm going to open that kind of biggish. Okay, nope. Want it big, yep. So you can move it, and you can see a blue line. That means it's in the middle. So right there. And at the bottom you can see type font colors. Go to colors and pick a color you want. So I'm gonna do the Picsart color. Technically I'm gonna do gradient. If I do it just like this, then I'll go to stroke and do a white stroke if you want to make it the Picsart colors. And then I will go to shadow and change my shadow to a light blue. Then go to adjust, to my blur down a little, and my not up a little. Then position wants to go like this one. You just freestyle how you want to do it. I normally like to have it close, like right there and right there. Now go back to font and look for the font I like. So technically I love this font, so I'm gonna use that. If I don't want it to be like this, if I want it to be like it fade from one color to the next, I will go to colors again and click gradient and change that color to my blue. And yes, then you just play with it. This needs to be a darker purple due to the light being the pink being so due to the blue being so light. I'm just gonna change it to a darker blue too. Okay. Okay, so I want it like that, but technically I don't want it like that. I don't know what I'm doing. Technically I don't want it like that, so I'm just gonna change it back to blue. Purple? Not a purple, but I like that dark purple. So purple, and then go here. Or I can make it into my Halloween colors, but I'm not. Okay, now that I have that, what I want to do is go to stickers and probably add some things to it. So type in vlog. See, I want this. You can literally type in anything you want, but I want this. So just going to add it. My thumbnail could be smaller, so that okay. So I don't want this plus sign, so I just go to the two things. No, I don't want the plus sign, so I'll go to the little eraser up top. You want to click that and erase, and then I want to erase the plus sign, and then you want to accept it. Then if you want to add more stuff like what I want to do, I'm just going to open this up a little more so it can fit right there. And go back to stickers, get my YouTube symbol, and put that right there. And boom, that's how I make my thumbnails. And I'll click apply. Then I'll go to effects. Then I would either choose sharpen or HDR and apply. And because it is Vlogtober theme, I would go scrolling to brushes and just add some ball stuff just randomly all over the place. And voila. Then you want to hit apply again, and this is my thumbnail. And you hit next. At this point, you don't want to click just skip. You want to click save and download picture. At this point, your picture is downloaded to your phone. So if this is a great help to you with your thumbnail, give this a like, and also comment if you like the thumbnail. If you have any questions or anything, just comment down below and I'll be happy to answer them. I'll see you guys tomorrow on day number 27.